건가 봐. 하나던 짓을 다 하게 돼.
I heard you're feeling nothing's going right. Why don't you let me stop right? The clock is ticking, running out of time. So we should party all night. So cover your eyes, I have a surprise. I hope you got a healthy appetite. If you wanna dance, if you want it all, you know that I'm the girl that you should call. But when you're with me, I'll give you a taste. Make it like your birthday every day. I know you like it sweet, so you can have your cake. Give you something good to celebrate. So make a wish. I'll make it like your birthday every day. I'll be your gift. Give you something good to celebrate. Pop your confetti, put your berry on. So hot and heavy till dawn. I got you spinning like a disco ball. I'll have there playing your song. We're living the life, we're doing it right. You're never gonna be unsatisfied.
Hi. Uni! Happy birthday! Wala akong masabi. Ganda ko kasi. At just, thank you sa lahat. And sana, enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon. Anong masasabi mo sa video namin? May masasabi ka ba? Wala kang masabi. At just, susubaybayan ko ang love story niya ni Papa John. OMG! Hearts! Happy birthday, wala na akong masabi. Pero may gusto bumati sa'yo. Yee! Hearts!
Would you be my girlfriend?
Brave sound.
난 너의 boyfriend. 난
I'm your boyfriend. Happy birthday, Ate Carol. Love you.
So, kamusta naman? Kinilig ka ba? Nako, ang hirap-hirap pilitin na. Just ngayon, arte-arte. O siya, sige yun lang. Sana gusto niyo yung video namin. Happy birthday. I love you. Pero mas single ka ni Kwame. OMG. Tsaka syempre ni Papa Jai. Bye-bye!
S-I-S-A-R Sister S-I-S Sister Sister
K for cute. Ang corny ko. Kasi naman, wala akong maisip sa letter K. So, cute na lang. Kasi diba sabi mo cute ka, okay, edi cute. A for abnormal talaga. Oh, kasi, ewan ko, abnormal ka eh. De, joke lang. R for rock na rock. Wala kasi ako maisip eh. Okay, rock and roll. L for lakas tama for revs. Kasi diba, ang lakas talaga ng tama mo, lagi na lang. Tas nahahawa ko, kaya ganun. Lakas tama for revs, okay. And last but not the least, A, ang one and only Unico. Ang ganda ko.
Ang ganda ko. Ang pogi ko pala. Nagkamali lang.